Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change a local user account to administrator in Windows 11 settings. For this, click on this one Start button, then click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Accounts. On the right, scroll down and find Account Settings. Under this, click on this one Other Users option. Here you will see all local users you have created in your PC. Select the user account you want to change from local to administrator. Then click on this one Change Account Type button. In the drop down menu, select here Administrator. Click this one OK button. This will convert local user to an administrator on Windows 11 PC.